will discuss about another interesting topic of projectile motion, that is when a projectile thrown or fired vertically upwards, what happens? Hello viewers, in my previous video I thoroughly discussed about projectile and projectile motion. In this video we start with the projectile thrown vertically upwards motion under gravity. So let's start. Projectile thrown vertically upwards or motion under gravity. Let us consider a projectile. This is our projectile. Okay, consider a projectile thrown from A. This is A. Okay, thrown from A with a velocity u. This is our velocity, the velocity of projectile. Okay, u in vertically upward direction. In vertically upward direction. Okay, its velocity decreases gradually because since g or gravity, acceleration due to gravity, g retards the motion till it becomes 0 at B, where this is B. Okay, and this is our projectile. Okay, here velocity v is equal to 0. Let us consider from A to B, the height or the distance covered by the projectile is h. Okay, small h. So this is the maximum height covered by the projectile from A to B. Or so now we can derive some important results. So first of all, we can calculate the maximum height covered by the projectile. So let's start. Okay, so here maximum height, first one is maximum height, we denoted by h. Okay, so what is maximum height? It is the maximum distance traveled by the projectile in the vertical direction. So we denoted here h, small h. Okay, applying kinematics equation, third kinematics equation, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as, where v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration, and s is the distance covered by the body. Here v is equal to 0, u is equal to u, a is equal to minus g, because so here our projectile is from the earth, so g is negative. Okay, so then a equal to minus g and s is equal to h, because the distance covered by the projectile we denoted as h. So putting these values in this equation, we get 0 square minus u square minus 2gh, or u square is equal to 2gh, or h is equal to u square by 2g. Okay, that is important. Next, what is time of ascent? That is denoted by small t. What do we mean by time of ascent? It is the time taken by the projectile to rise to the highest point, that is from A to B. What is the time taken to by the projectile? That is known as time of ascent, and we denoted that small t. So we know the applying the kinematics theorem, that is first kinematics theorem, that is v equal to u plus at. Okay guys, v equal to u plus at, that is the derivation of small t. Okay, so v is equal to u plus at, here putting the values of v, u, a. Okay, so what comes? V equal to 0, u equal to u, a equal to minus g, t equal to t. So 0 is equal to u minus ct, or u equal to gt or t is equal to uyg. This is the answer. So this is the time of ascent. So next we calculate the time of descent. Okay, that is denoted by t dash. Okay, understood? So what do you mean by time of descent? The time of descent, it is the time taken by the projectile to come down from the highest point to the point of projection. Okay, so this is the point of projection, okay, where we projected the projectile, and this is the highest point. We can calculate the time, that is b to a. Okay, understood? So we know that simple b equal to u plus at or 0 u minus gt. Okay, u equal to gt or t is equal to uyg. Okay, since upward and downward force or motion are symmetric with respect to each other, so time of descent is equal to time of ascent, or we can write here t dash is equal to t is equal to uyg. So this is the answer. Now we calculate the speed on reaching ground of the projectile. When the motion from B to A, here velocity v is equal to v and here u is equal to 0. So applying kinematics equation v square minus u square is equal to 2s and putting the value of v, u and a and s, so we now v equal to v square minus u square equal to 0 square 2 a means minus g, s minus h. Okay, so v square is equal to 2gh, or v square is equal to 2g into u square by 2g, because h equal to u square by 2g. Now prove. Okay, so v square is equal to 2g is equal to u square, or v equal to plus or minus u. We should reject the positive sign since the velocity of body on reaching of the ground is in downward direction. So v is equal to what? Minus u. This is the answer. Now we calculate the horizontal range. What do we mean by horizontal range? It is the distance traveled by the projectile in the horizontal direction. It travels no direction because the horizontal range is here 0. So the answer is range equal to 0. We know the horizontal range r is equal to 0.